How's it going, good friends? Brian from Apex Detail. We're back again and we're testing the Meguiar ceramic clay kit. And what I've come to the conclusion is this clay mitt here. We've taken a look at this, and what I would use it for: slit it open, insert your favorite beverage, use it for a koozie. This is what has the value, and this could be purchased separately, somewhere around $17 or so. A good buy, 26 ounces. We have it on the panel back here. It has had plenty of time to dry, well over 24 hours. So let's get to it. Let's torture it, let's test it. The following day, after application, it's been well over 24 hours. It's had plenty of time to cure. So let's get some gloss meter readings now. Not the highest numbers on the channel. However, the 10 plus jump in gloss units, that's huge for any product, really. And this is just a quick detailer, something to keep in mind through the testing here. When it comes to slickness, easily noticeable just from touch, but let me use some foam applicators and show you exactly what I feel. Is there sheeting? Is there beading? Well, there's beading. So let's take a look at water repelling properties on the panel that you do want to protect. You can easily see where the protection is after removing the tape, the outline of what is protected and what isn't. The beads are tighter, contact angle, much more impressive. All right, let's start the 10 wash test. And this is where I have Purple Power Vehicle and Boat and a strip wash, 1 ounce each in the bucket here. We're going to wash it 10 times in a row. There have been some products I've tested that don't even last this long. So the ceramic liquid wax from Meguiar's that we tested not too long ago made it easily through the 10 washes, and then 2 more rounds of the traffic film solution that we test after this portion here. Let's see how far we can get with just a detailer. You'll see here after the 8th wash that the water repelling properties of the protectant are going away. They're pretty much gone, and we're now just sheeting really fast. So the protection isn't completely removed. So let's keep going. Still an outline in an area where the sheeting is a little bit faster than the rest of the panel. So let's get on to the next portion of the testing, and we will start with the road film formula that we have. Everything mixed together that would splash up onto a car, the side of a car. After a rain mixes everything together, the cars leak. And this is some real chemical torture that a car comes in contact on a daily basis out in the real world. Let's get a layer on there and continue testing. All right, I'm going to let that sit anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll rinse off. And as you can see here, it's starting to stick a little bit. We really have to get a little bit of pressure to rinse this crap off of here. And then to make sure that there's no film on top of the protectant, we're going to use a weak alkaline cleaner, and then we'll use that strip wash. So the protectants that we test here really do get hit with just about everything all the way up and down the pH scale. Not all at the same time, so they cancel each other out, but you know, the protectants get a taste of just about every chemical out there. It's as close as I can get to real-world testing, and as we can see here, it has knocked out what was left of that quick detailer from Meguiar's. By the way, for a detailer, that's not really bad at all. There are a lot of detailers that won't even make it close to that. And you'll see that as we keep testing. And what I'm going to do is use Seal and Shine as the benchmark in one of these videos coming up. So let's bring the panel inside. I'll dry it, and we'll test gloss one more time. And you'll see it didn't drop a whole lot, just a little bit. And that will bring us to the final thoughts segment of the video. When we tested the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax, it lasted 10 washes strong, plus 2 more rounds of our harsh road film chemicals. This here, it barely made it to 9 washes strong. It made it to full wash without being completely removed, but the first treatment of our road solution killed it. So, and that's rightfully so. This is a little bit weaker, probably a little bit less concentration, and to be perfectly honest, this would be a great maintenance product for this product here, and a few others that are coming out. Meguiar's has a full-blown ceramic coating in a vial, a kit coming out. I'll cover that. They have an Si02 ceramic sealant. So you could use this as maintenance and a topper for that kit, and then you can use this for maintenance and dusting in between washes with this right here. So this is the value out of the kit we just looked at within the last 2 videos, and the one I would recommend. It works just fine. It's easy to use. It does lay down some decent protection, beading, and a little bit of chemical resistance. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video. And if you are enjoying the content, please be sure to like, subscribe, share the content, and hit that notification bell.